Lesson 7. Introduction to C++. Introduction. A computer can only understand machine language, that is, binary language in zeros and ones. A computer works on software which is developed using various high-level programming languages. C++ is widely used in industry for commercial software development. It is an industrial-strength programming language used for developing complex systems in business, science, and engineering. The first release of C++ was made available during the MS-DOS era on personal computers. The now used version of C++ provides an integrated development environment (IDE) for writing, editing, compiling, and running C++ programs. Its text editor works like a word processor. Starting with C++. Step 1. Double-click on Turbo C++ shortcut icon on the desktop. The first screen which comes the following. Step 2. Click on Start Turbo C++. The following screen opens up called as Turbo C++ IDE. Step 3. To create a new file, select File, New, Figure 3. An edit window appears inside the first window, Figure 4. General structure of a simple C++ program. The previous program is the typical program that programmer apprentices write for the first time, and its result in the printing on screen of the hello word. It is one of the simplest programs that can be written in C++. We are going to look line by line at the code we have just written. Include I/O stream. Lines beginning with a hash sign are directives for the preprocessor. In this case, the directive hash include I/O stream tells the preprocessor to include the I/O stream standard file, combinedly called as header files. Void main. Void is the return type, that is, the type of data a function returns, of the function main. That is, the main function does not return any value. Main is the function from where the execution of a program begins. Count hello. This line is a C++ statement. Count represents the standard output stream in C++, and the meaning of the entire statement is to insert a sequence of characters, in this case the hello sequence of characters, into the standard output stream, which usually is the screen. Notice that the statement ends with a semicolon character. This character is used to mark the end of the statement, and in fact it must be included at the end of all expression statements in all C++ programs. In the edit window, type the program. The file you created is currently with a default name, noname00.cpp. While writing the program, you will notice that Turbo C++ uses different colors for different portions of the program. This automatic color coding is termed as syntax highlighting. Running a program in C++. After successfully compiling the program, you can run it for getting the output. Press Ctrl plus F9 to run, or select Run, Run in menu bar, the C program. Output window. The output will appear in a separate window called as Output window. Saving a program in C++. To save the written program, follow the following steps. Step 1. From the File menu, select Save. Step 2. To save in customized, name select Save As. Step 3. The Save As window appears as in Figure 8. You can change the current name, default name, appearing in the box by simply typing a new name, newfile.cpp, there. You can also specify a directory to store the file. Click OK. Declaring variables. A variable provides us with named storage that our programs can manipulate. Each variable in C++ has a specific type, which determines the size and layout of the variable's memory, the range of values that can be stored within that memory, and the set of operations that can be applied to the variable. The name of a variable can be composed of letters, digits, and the underscore character. It must begin with either a letter or an underscore. Upper and lower case letters are distinct because C++ is case sensitive. There are following basic types of variable in C++. Type and description. Bool stores either value true or false. Char, typically a single octet, 1 byte. This is an integer type. Int, the most natural size of integer for the machine. Float, a single precision floating point value. Double, a double precision floating point value. Void represents the absence of type. wchar_t, a white character type. First program in C++. Let us write our first program in C++. For this, start a new program by clicking on File, New in the C++ window and type the following code. Hash include iostream.h, header file that allows to perform input and output operations like cin and cout. Hash include conio.h, header file that allows to make use of the functions clear screen and getch. Void main, the execution of all C++ programs begins from the main function. Clear screen, function used for clearing the output screen. cout, welcome to the world of C++, function used to produce output on the screen. getch, function takes you to the output screen. Logic to find total, average and percentage of subjects. Step-by-step descriptive logic to find total, average and percentage. Step 1. Input marks of 5 subjects. Store it in some variables, say English, Physics, Chemistry, Maths and Computer. Step 2. Calculate sum of all subjects and store in total is equal to English plus Physics plus Chemistry plus Math plus Computer. Step 3. Divide sum of all subjects by total number of subjects to find average, that is, average is equal to total 5. Step 4. Calculate percentage using percentage is equal to total 500 multiply 100. Step 5. Finally print resultant values total, average and percentage. Steps to execute it in Turbo C++. Step 1. Open Turbo C++ edit window. Step 2. Select File, New to open a new window. Step 3. Type the C++ program as shown below. Step 4. Select 5, Save As to open the Save As dialog box. Type the file name as pm1cpp and click OK. Step 5. Select Compile. Compile to compile the code. Step 6. Select Run. Run to run the code. The output window appears. Enter the marks in 5 subjects. Step 7. Select Alt plus F5 or Window Output to open the output window as shown in Out window below. C++ program to find total, average and percentage. /***, C program to calculate total, average and percentage of 5 subjects. */ hash include stdio.h. int main. Float, English, Physics, Chemistry, Math, Computer. Float, total, average, percentage. /**, input marks of all 5 subjects. */ print f, enter marks of 5 subjects. \n, scan f, %f, 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 and English, and Physics, and Chemistry, and Math, and Computer. /**, calculate total, average and percentage. */ total is equal to English plus Physics plus Chemistry plus Math plus Computer. Average is equal to total 5. Percentage is equal to total 500. Multiply 100. // asterisk, print all results, asterisk, /, print f, total marks is equal to %.2f, \n, total, print f, average marks is equal to %.2f, \n, average, print f, percentage is equal to %.2f, percentage, return 0. Output. Using conditional statements. Conditional statements, also known as selection statements, are used to make decisions based on a given condition. If the condition evaluates to true, a set of statements is executed, otherwise, another set of statements is executed. If statement. The if statement selects and executes the statements based on a given condition. If the condition evaluates to true, then a given set of statements is executed. However, if the condition evaluates to false, then the given set of statements is skipped and the program control passes to the statement following the if statement. Syntax. If condition, statement 1, statement 2, statement 3. If-else statement. The if-else statement causes one of the two possible statements to execute depending upon the outcome of the condition. Syntax. If condition / if part. Statement 1, statement 2. Else / else part. Statement 3. Here, the if-else statement comprises two parts, namely if and else. If the condition is true, the if part is executed. However, if the condition is false, the else part is executed. To understand the concept of the if-else statement, consider this example. Example 1. A program to determine whether a character is in lowercase or uppercase. Hash include iostream using namespace std, int main, char ch, cout, enter an alphabet, cin, ch, if ch is greater than a and ch is lesser than z. Cout, the alphabet is in uppercase, else if ch is greater than a and ch is less than z. Cout, the alphabet is in lowercase, else cout, it is not an alphabet, return 0. The output of this program is enter an alphabet, $, it is not an alphabet. Using loops in C++. Programming languages provide various control structures that allow for more complicated execution paths. A loop statement allows us to execute a statement or group of statements multiple times, and following is the general form of loop statement in most of the programming languages. While loop repeats a statement or group of statements while a given condition is true. It tests the condition before executing the loop body. The syntax of a while loop in C++ is while condition statements. Here, statements may be a single statement or a block of statements. The condition may be any expression, and true is any non-zero value. The loop iterates while the condition is true. When the condition becomes false, program control passes to the line immediately following the loop. Example 2. Hash include iostream using namespace std, int main, local variable declaration, nt a is equal to 10, while loop execution. While a is less than 20, cout value of a, and l, a++, return 0. When the above code is compiled and executed, it produces the following result. Value of a 10, value of a 11, value of a 12, value of a 13, value of a 14, value of a 15, value of a 16, value of a 17, value of a 18, value of a 19. Do-while loop. The do-while loop is a variant of the while loop with one important difference. The body of do-while loop is executed once before the test expression is checked. The syntax of do-while loop is do / codes while test expression. Example 3. C++ program to add numbers until user enters 0. Hash include iostream, int main, float number, sum is equal to 0.0, do. C out, enter a number. C in, number. Sum plus is equal to number, while number is equal to 0.0. C out, total number is equal to sum, return 0. Output, enter a number 2, enter a number 3, enter a number 4, enter a number -4, enter a number 2, enter a number 4.4, enter a number 2, enter a number 0.
For loop. Syntax of for loop. For initialization, condition, increment or decrement. C++ statements. Example 4. Hashtag include isostream. Using namespace std, int mean for int I is equal to 1, I is equal to less than equal to 6, I++ / start. This statement would be executed repeatedly until the condition I is less than equal to 6 returns false. Count value of variable I is return 0. Output, value of variable I is 1, value of variable I is 2, value of variable I is 3, value of variable I is 4, value of variable I is 5, value of variable I is 6.
Keywords. Header file, a file that holds all the declaration in a program. Variable, a memory location used to store a value. Conditional statements, these are known as selection statements, which is used to make decisions based on a given condition. Loop, a sequence of instructions that is repeated until a particular condition is satisfied. Quick recap. C++ was created and developed by Danish computer scientist Janne Stroustrup at Bell Labs since 1979. A line beginning with a hash sign is called preprocessor directive. Hash include IOStream tells the preprocessor to include the IOStream standard file. Main is the function from where the execution of a program begins. Void is the return type, that is, the type of data a function returns of the function main. That is, the main function does not return any value. Important data types in C++ are Boolean, character, integer, floating point, double floating point, wide character.